Good day mga kapudbay. Today we are going to cook beef stroganoff and magsisimula tayo sa paghihiwa ng ating beef. And now that our meat is ready, we're just gonna season it with salt, pepper, and maglalagay din tayo ng all-purpose flour pala. I'm sorry very much. Okay guys? Yan, the reason why is it's gonna help thicken the sauce and tenderize the meat na rin as well. Yan, bugburan lang natin ng flour. And imekos-mekos na natin yan mga insan. Imemekos-mekos lang natin yan. Yan o, kamay-kamay na natin yan. Ganyan lang. Easy. So eto, after natin mamekos-mekos yun guys, we will set aside the meat kasi needs to, tawag dito, kailangan niya ma-marinate, you know? Kumapit yung salt and pepper, yung flour, mag-work dun sa meat, and it help tenderize the meat, no? Mga 10 minutes. Set aside it for 10 minutes while you're preparing your mushroom, your onion, your garlic. So it's a really advantage na inuuna natin yung meat and so we can marinate it on the side while preparing the other ingredients. Simple as that. Alright, proceed tayo. So ayun guys, while marinating our meat, inuna ko na rin magpakulo ng tubig para makagawa tayo ng beef stock kasi wala akong beef broth. So ang ginawa ko lang dito, naglagay lang ako ng beef cubes. Yun yung tinuna natin doon sa tubig and we'll use it later. Alright. Next, ito yung mga kailangan nating ingredients. Alright, so let's start cooking mga kapudbay. Ayun na nga, kanina ko pa pinainit itong ating pan and all we have to do is melt lang itong butter. Ayun yung first step natin. And maglalagay tayo ng konting canola oil to make sure na hindi mababurn yung ating butter kasi yung smoke point ng butter is very low. Once na umusok na siya, it will start burning. So yun, maglalagay tayo ng oil. Optional sa mga kapudbait natin na living healthy dyan, pwede nyo kayong gumamit ng olive oil. Yan. Pero in this case, I use canola oil kasi yun lang yung available. And yun, ipuli melt lang talaga natin itong ating butter and we can start putting our meat. Alright guys, eto na nga. So ready na ang ating butter. And ilalagay na natin yung ating beef guys, no? So just make sure na maraming space yung pan nyo kasi kailangan latag na latag yung beef para pantay-pantay yung pagkakaluto. Siya nga pala, yung gusto nating ma-achieve dito is mag golden brown lang siya katulad nito. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang fry, no? Parang half fry lang. And it's a Porterhouse steak. So sirloin. Madali lang naman maluto, limit to. Once na pantay na yung kulay niya, katulad nito, flip lang natin. Pagpantay na ang kulay, pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Huwag niyong itatapon yung butter kasi dyan na rin tayo magsusutay ng ating garlic, onion, tsaka yung mushroom. Kaya tayo naglagay ng oil kanina kasi ayaw natin ma-burn yung butter kasi dyan na natin iluluto lahat-lahat. Okay? So ayan guys, no, i-saute na natin yung ating garlic and onion. Wait lang natin sila mag golden brown and we can also add our mushroom once na ready na. So yan, mekos-mekos lang natin yan mga insan. Saute lang natin yung mushroom and once it's ready, pwede na natin ihalo yung ating meat. Nagpalit lang pala ako ng wok, no, kasi maliit yung pan ko. And the mushroom is ready. Hinalo ko na rin pala yung ating beef, di ko na napakita. Mekos-mekos lang yan. Lagay na rin natin yung cream of mushroom. Mekos-mekos. Tapos syempre may interval yan, mga 2 minutes na mamekos-mekos mo muna lahat ng ingredients dun sa meat, no? Naglagay na tayo ng beef broth. And kung napansin nyo guys, di na rin tayo naglagay ng salt and pepper kasi minarinade na natin earlier yung ating beef. And the cream of mushroom itself, medyo salty na siya. So, kayo na bahala, magtansya-tansya, no? But for me, this is salty enough. And for the final touch, add lang natin yung ating cream of sour cream. Ayan yung magkukumpleto sa ating beef stroganoff yan guys. Mekos-mekos. Kayo na rin ang bahala sa thickness ng inyong beef stroganoff, but for me gusto ko yung ganitong texture kasi gusto ko yung sabaw dun sa rice, you know? But usually the classic style of beef stroganoff, they tap it on the egg noodles. Yun yung usual Russian style. Okay guys, so yan yung ating beef stroganoff. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you support us for our next video. So click like, comment, and subscribe, and marami pa tayong lulutuin. Hope to see you soon mga kapudbay. Peace out.